something. We're gonna use the new Sanyipace camera to check out a sewer issue here. I think there's an issue with the clean out here on this property, so we're gonna check it out from the roof end so we can get a better view. We're just gonna carefully remove this guy. Let's put him on.
Hit record. We're now recording video. Should be able to hear us on the back.
And we're just gonna put them down here and see if we can see what's wrong with the sewer clean out. And, oh, you know what? The lights. Let's make sure we're the brightest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we got the brightest light. Now let's just put them down and see what we see here.
That's a spider?
Something. You can see a sink where a sink or something ties in right there. Oh. We're at the bottom of the 90 for the vent now. He's a little dirty though, isn't he? Yeah, we're kind of obscured view, aren't we? Okay, flush some water. We cleared our view up. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Now we can see much better. All right. So, basically, I just want to go out to the clean out now. Yeah, look, dang, it looks pretty good now that the crap's off of it. So we just want to go all the way out to the clean out and see what it looks like. And just make sure we can get that far. And so far so good. This looks like we got like 40 feet out. Well, something kind of, oh. What do we got there? That might be the, no, that's not the clean out. What's this?
What is that?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a hole.
Does look like a hole, don't it?
Yeah.
What the heck?
But it's like so bright, like it's underground.
That's weird. And there's a clean out. Found it. All right, so, I mean, it is kind of messed up. Look at the pipe up there. You're still recording on there, right? And you can see the pipe's like not lined up right.
Yeah.
Kind of. The clean out's like lower. Huh. Oh yeah, and then right here, you can kind of see the pipe's a little off too. Yeah, so what the heck? Can we get past there? No. I mean, we made it out 60 feet pretty good. All right, well, I'm still recording it all so I can put this right over it. So now I'm just gonna come back. It's easy enough. What do we think about the Sanyipace camera, Luke?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, I think it looks pretty clear. So, we're just gonna come back slow, show how easy it is to use this thing. I feel like this is a good method to use to like clean it off, you know? Kind of like do that, like get like a rhythm down. Cause it's got like poo all over it. I know. Looks pretty good.
That was a little bright spot.
Yeah, who knows what it is. I'm not gonna, might see it better when we look on the camera, but dang, I mean, this thing worked pretty good. Like we're out there like 60 feet. So, I mean, it made it pretty dang far. That's pretty awesome. Wonder how much a little wind guard and how well it's working on this mic I'm wearing. But, see, we got it all out, all the way out now. I mean, it was easy enough to run the Sanyipace from the, poopy. It's gross. But, see you later. That's the Sanyipace sewer camera in action. So if you're ever wondering about one of these more affordable cameras and if they're actually any good or not. Well, now you've seen how this one works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Sanyipace sewer camera, pretty easy to navigate. Just brought it right up on the roof, right back down. But yeah, I like it.